In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all cards in a list in Trello. If you're finding your Trello board a bit cluttered and need to clean up your lists by archiving or deleting cards, you've come to the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, navigate to the list on Trello where you want to remove all of your cards. You'll see a three dots icon at the top right corner of the list. This icon is your go-to option for list settings and additional actions. Go ahead and click on it. A menu will appear with several options, but you're going to select Archive All Cards in this list. By doing this, you're essentially moving all the cards from your list into the archive, a temporary holding area where they won't clutter your workspace, but remain accessible if you ever change your mind. Now, if you're certain you want these cards gone for good, the next step is to permanently delete them from the archive. To begin, you'll need to click again on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your Trello board. This time, from the menu, select Archived Items. This is where you can manage everything you've previously archived on this board. Not just cards, but even entire lists. Once you're in the Archived Items section, you'll see all your archived cards listed there. Here, you have the option to review them before you take the final step. This is particularly useful in case you remember something important that might be better retained than deleted. When you're sure that every card can be removed permanently, you'll need to go through and delete each archived card one by one. Although this might seem a bit tedious, it ensures that you don't accidentally erase any crucial information. Carefully clicking to remove each item ensures that you're in full control of your board and that nothing essential slips through the cracks. And that's all. You've successfully removed all the cards from your list in Trello, keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Managing your digital tools effectively can really boost your productivity, so remembering these steps can save you time and effort in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Following these straightforward steps will ensure you maintain a clean and efficient work environment on Trello. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!